Hello all. So in last video we installed Windows Server 2019 on one of the node in our network. As we discussed earlier, we are going to have three different nodes in our network, and this node particularly will act as a domain controller wherein we install Windows Server 2019. After installation, we also specified computer name and we also specified static IP address. Okay. Now in this video, we are going to install or configure domain controller on same node. All right, there will be two different steps. The first step is installation of Active Directory, and the next step is configuring the Active Directory domain service. So let's start with the first step, installation of Active Directory. So I will log into my uh, domain controller or the very first node, this node wherein I install Windows Server 2019, and it will prompt me to specify password for administrator user. Now remember, this user we created at the time of installation, SSW password hash 123. All right, so this is a local user administrator. Okay, and the next step is, for installation of Active Directory, you just have to open server manager. Once you log in, by default this server manager will get open. You can close this. I mean, you can use that. I'm just showing you how to open that. So if you type server manager in search box, it will get open. Now the next step is click on local server, manage and add roles and features. So local server, manage and add roles and feature. Click next, and installation type we have to click, keep this role based or feature based installation. Installation type role based and feature based installation. Select local server, and force, and the last step is server roles. Will come to that. So I will click next, select local server. So this is my local server. So as I mentioned earlier, I gave this gokte-dc-pc. This is the name and this is the IP address I specified, 192.168.80.10. So 192.168.80.10, and this is my machine name. All right. So I will keep this. Next, server role. So I need to specify Active Directory domain service. Active Directory domain service, because that is what we are going to install, Active Directory. Okay, so I will select Active Directory domain service, which we want to install. Click add features. Click next. Okay, next. It's just asking the confirmation. Click install. Okay, the same steps. Now once Active Directory gets installed, we are going to configure the Active Directory domain services. All right, so let's go back. It will take a while. Installation is in progress. So as you can see here, so it is trying to install Active Directory domain service. That is what this ADDS is, Active Directory domain service. So on left hand panel, as you can see, we do not have any option called ADDS. Once this gets installed, that option will appear. Okay, and once that option appears, we need to click on that in order to configure the domain services. So the destination server, as you can see here, it's gokte-dc-1. So basically, we are installing Active Directory services on this machine, which we are going to utilize as domain controller. It should get finished now. Okay, it got finished. I'll close this guy. And as I said, at left hand side, this option appeared, ADDS. So if I go back to my documentation, I need to click on this ADDS, okay, and after that click on more, and after that select action promote server to domain controller. So basically we are configuring domain controller. We are promoting this server as a domain controller. So this is the action. I will click on this guy. Okay, the next step is add a new forest since we do not have any existing domain. All right, so I will click on this option and I need to specify the domain name. So that I will specify as goktest.local. Click next. Now this domain name you can specify anything in any kind of domain name, but I'm just keeping it as cooktest.local. And the next step is you need to specify DSRM, that is directory service recovery mode password. So it will come. This will take a while. So it appeared, but it's still not allowing me to enter the password. Still working on something. All right. So PASS the password #123. PASS password #123. Perfect. Click next. We just have to skip this guy. We don't have to configure or specify DNS delegation. Click next. Now everything else is default. So if I go back, so no need to specify DNS delegation. The next one is NetBIOS domain name. So this will appear by default, and this comes based on this domain name. So whatever you will specify before dot, that will it will act as a NetBIOS domain name. So in our case, it should appear as Goktes, and after that, everything is uh, everything is default. So let's go back. Yeah, as I said, the NetBIOS domain name is default one. I will click next. Remaining everything else is default. So I will click on next, next, and this installation button should get enabled. Okay, so I will click on install now. So it has completed all prerequisite checks, and this will take a while. Let me pick up a time. Let's say, all right. And meanwhile, this is getting installed. So let me go back to my documentation. So even though I have specified all the steps here, which are needed, I haven't specified these options or I haven't explained each and every option in detail. Now, if you need more information, you can refer to this video. So this video is uploaded by my brother and he has mentioned each and every steps in detail. So if you are interested to know more about each and every more detailed information about configuring this domain controller, you can refer this video and I will copy this link in comment section of this video. All right, so let's go back to our installation. This should get finished. Once this gets finished, it will restart my virtual machine. And while restarting it, it will take a while. It will take a considerable amount to configure all those settings. So what we'll do, by the time it gets restart and tries to configure all those things, I will pause the video. So let's wait for it to get restart. showing some warnings. That is fine. So yeah, as you can see, you are about to sign out. So now the virtual machine will get in restart. Okay, it's getting restarted. And once it's start, it will try to configure those settings. Now this particular step will take a while. So what I will do, I will pause the video, and at end of this step, once everything gets installed, once everything gets configured and we are ready to log in again, I will unpause the video. All right. So I will pause the video. All right. So uh, configuration is finished now, and it is allowing us to log in again in our virtual machine. Now, as you can see here, there is a difference. So it is prompting. So this administrator is not a normal user now. It is a part of our domain. So this Goktes is a domain. Yeah, so as we configured goktes.local, so this was our domain, and now this administrator is part of our domain. So we are logging in as a domain user, not the local user. So it's a goktes slash administrator is a domain user, and pa password hash 123. Okay, so basically we have configured our Active Directory domain service successfully. Okay, and we logged in into our server with our domain user, which is administrator. So we can again validate that. So what I will do, I will close all these guys. And so as you can see here, for validation you just have to type Active Directory users and computers. So I will click on search active Directory users and computers. All right, and let me expand this guy. And as we discussed earlier, so this PC Gokta-DC-1 will act as a domain controller. So if I expand this guy here, and if I click on domain controller, the same PC, the PC which we have, wherein we have installed domain controller now. And if I click on users, this is the administrator user. So it is a domain user now. Now if I click on computers, there is nothing in there. So in the next subsequent videos, what we are going to do is we are going to install Windows Server 2019 on both of these nodes, and we are going to add these nodes as part of this domain controller. So once we do that, those two computers will listed over here. All right. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video.